So in this video, I'm going to show you some cool Figma plugins that you can use to create some amazing mockups. So I have these UI screens here that I picked from the Figma community. We're going to use these for our demo purpose. So starting with the first one, that is the Artboard Studio Mockup. I already installed this plugin, so I have it in my plugins list, but I'll show you how you can install it. So you can go to the Figma community and there you can see plugins. Just click on plugins. So I'm going to type here Artboard Studio. So here you can see I've already installed it. So you can install it from here. And so coming back to our artboard, just right click. You can see plugins, then you can see Artboard Studio Mockup. Click on that and there you go. We have Artboard Studio mockups that provides a lot of items, mockup items, and you can see if you can see here like there are logged items as well. So if you purchase a premium version, you can unlock these logged items as well. But for now, we will filter out the free items. So click on all items and then select free items. So you can have a look on these. So we're gonna go with this one. Okay, so I'll duplicate this and try to fit in our frame. So, okay, so just click on this frame. So when you select any item from any item, so it comes with the frame and the device as well. So click on the frame and then select render selected frame. And there you go, you have your frame ready. So I'm going to show you one more example for it. So we'll go for this one. Okay. I'll get this frame. Try to fit in the frame. You can resize the frame as well according to your screen. And then select the frame. And click on render selected frames. So there you go, you have your mockups ready to present, and